Everyone, we're starting on the walls now. I always glue my tile, not the wall. I get less mess over my floor. And if you're in a hot climate, that glue can skin. I've talked about it untold times. Six by six tile. Whooshka. Whoop. Yep, it's a bit of a hot muggy one this morning. I'm using a 15mm trowel on the wall tile, being a 6 by 6. I think it's a good size. I love the colour of this tile, I do it a fair bit. Wow. For a DIY, he's got that niche at the right height. Oh, that was a fluke. When you're doing a bathroom for a DIY that's done his own sheeting and put in the niche, wherever it is, that's it, you just accept it. A professional brings it down to the grout line on a tile. This has happened, he's fluked it, I think. That's good. Brilliant. I haven't checked the cover plates on this job. I will assume that they're a tight fit, you know, that they're small. Just trim that up a little. Nice. Pull that off. Right, where's my marker? We go. You can use a tape. I like to use a piece of tile. Just checking that. If in doubt, check it. Yep. Right, that's how I achieved my round hole cut. Now we'll cut it a little bit bigger. I'll go outside, I'll just turn this off for a sec, we'll go outside and I'll turn it on again.